Hi, this is Fiona Peters from Fiona Peters Academy. I'd like to show you in this tutorial how to do a simple gradient effect using the gradients tool. Let's go. Today I'm going to be showing you how to use your gradient tool, to do a simple effect like this, just using vector shapes and using an image to just get a smooth and clean blend. So let's get to it. So first of all, we're going to open a new file and give it a size. I'm using 5 by 5 inches. White is fine, RGB is fine, resolution 300, perfect, and then we'll begin. So first of all, what I did was I took my rectangle tool. Okay, having this blend of color, let's give it this blend so you could appreciate it. So let's get it done. So we have this, so you can see on this layer that you have this color here, and let's get a new layer. I'll go to my rectangle tool. I could decide to change my color, to have a different color pick. I'll have that. So you see you have the first rectangle and the second rectangle. So I'm going to get a blend in here. Let's see, let me pull down this one below. Right, yeah, good. So let's blend the one on top. So first of all, what do? You make sure you add your layer marks. You go to the bottom area of your panel, your layer panel, and then you click this button. You add the layer marks right there. So this is your gradient tool here. You see your gradient tool, you could press G on your keyboard and you could activate that. You could see right there at the panel up that you have a default of black to white. That shows that the black conceals whatever was there and the white reveals whatever was there. So if this is like how do I call it? Should I call this maroon color or something? So if we have the black to white, we'll just press it down with our mouse. You could see that whatever was there is showing what is below it. So whatever was there, the maroon that was there is concealed, and then the white part of this gradient reveals the maroon color as it really is. So let's see, let's go place a picture. We'll go to a file and then you see place embed. I like to get a very I like the picture I used. Couple is just awesome. So I'll click on it and say place. Okay, this came with background. I'm not sure I want the areas around it, so I'll go right click, rasterize my layer, and then I'll use my quick selection tool to just hover around and do a quick removal of some of the wanted images. Okay, good. Now you want to be very careful about this. I could see that the man's hand is about to disappear, so we're going to just have to go to, okay, let's get this to be part of what is needed. Beautiful. Yes, so now I don't want to delete the image now, so I'm going to go select and then select inverse. Selecting inverse makes me select the environment around that I don't want. So now I'm going to press delete to remove that and Control D to deselect that activation. So you see that I have my picture. So I could just increase this, transform it. Oh, this looks beautiful. And then okay. Now if you want to still try and see how I could do the gradient again, let's get a rectangle just above this layer. So I'm going to just draw in a rectangle somewhere just to this point. It has a stroke line, so I'm going to remove it to 0. I didn't really observe that before. Okay, I'm not okay with this color, so I'm going to go and just change it. So if I go to layer and double click this, this should give me, I want to choose a color that's close to her dress or a bit darker. Good. So I'm going to say okay. So now what do? Remember, you add your layer marks first step to it, and then you go pick on your gradient to make sure it's active, and then you just top to bottom. So you could see how that blend just comes in so beautiful. You just have to try this and see how it looks. Trying this will just wow your mind. This just looks amazing. So we'll try this and then we'll see what next we have to show. Thank you for being with me on this tutorial. My name is Fiona Peters, as always. So I'll see you in our next class where we'll do some other effects. Bye.